Good morning. Day 3. Not a bad way to wake up. I'm gonna go check out this water. My name is Eddie. I go by Slow Eddie. Welcome to my channel. And we are doing a motorcycle tour from San Jose del Cabo to San Diego with Ride Adventures and Dork in the desert for now, but Dork in the road. And we're gonna head up to San Diego on middleweight adventure bikes. It's gonna be a good time.
Hi everybody, good morning. So we're all packed up and we're headed out right now. We are just leaving Loreto and we are heading over to San Ignacio today. That is the plan. Wow-wee, look at this. We're headed back towards the coast. Man, this is gorgeous. Whoa. This is what I'm taking a beat. Awesome.
How about that view, huh?
Dude.
So you said hairy, you mean like deep sand and shit? Kind of like yesterday in the bad part?
Hi guys. Uh-oh. Oh shit. Oh god. He don't look very happy with me. Hi buddy. Apparently it gets a little technical over here. Tyler hasn't ridden it in a little while, but we're gonna find out what we're dealing with here. Ooh. He's right behind me. Okay, I'm not really sure how we lost JD, but we did. Wow, this terrain got different real quick like. Kind of weird. I don't know if it just rained or... Oh, this is that kind of clay he was talking about, I think. Red dirt, bro.
Can't miss that, right?
That does not look like an arrow.
No, but it looks like a bunch of shit that wasn't there when you were the first time.
Uh-huh. is an instructional. Is this an instructional point right here where you tell us about?
Be like Tyler.
How to pick
I
up.
was just making a f***ing statement.
He's like, he wants to it's all about presentation.
That's right.
Tyler's got it.
Ta-da!
Bienvenidos a Baja Mexico. I thought that scarecrow was JD.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna need some help with this, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought we were stopping here.
Well, let me tell you guys, this is soft once you get into it.
Really? You gotta be shit.
Want to pump my tire? Yeah. Okay, well that was a fun little mini adventure. I haven't really experienced all that much sand in Oregon. A little bit of sand in Washington on the BDR, the Washington BDR at a Wenatchee, but that sand was so deep that we weren't even going to attempt to get the big GSs and stuff through it. We did a workaround on that. So besides, you know, when it gets real dusty and soft in the summer, you know, like China Hat or Eastern Oregon, if you even call that sand, I guess you call it sand. No experience. One time in the dunes with a light bike, but never a 450 pound plus middleweight adventure bike. Little bits here and there aren't bad though. It's just the straight stretches of the deep sand that make me tense up and get my butt to pucker. We're about back to the main highway now. Light as a feather. My right hand is actually numb right now. Probably from my, I'm saying be light as a feather, but I got a death grip on this thing. Oh, 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 shit. You almost got to be up and ready for that sand instead of like popping up in it for me. And if you don't have the right form going into it, it's probably not going to go well for you. Oh, Jesus Christ. Whew. My hand is numb. It's like the 6th time I've been through this now. Looking for JD, and he was up in front of us the whole time. He just took a different trail. We're just about back to the highway now. Wow, let's not lose it. Front tire was trying to grab right there. Do a little surfing.
You're a big fellow, mister. I'm so glad you're not dead.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Play El Requisón. It is 3:11 and we are on the road towards San Ignacio to round up the trip. We are staying there this evening, and the group is going to be split up into 2 different hotels, but the hotels are in the same plaza. We just couldn't get everyone together, which is all good. So we'll get cleaned up and probably meet up for dinner later. That's kind of the plan as of now. Rolling up on Santa Rosalia here. Beautiful here. Santa Rosalia. How cool is this town, man? It's about the smallest little town I've ever been to in Mexico. So cute. I think we're staying at the Modelarama. I joke. Bienvenidos a Santa Rosalia. Alright, we have made it to Santa Rosalia. Looks like it's a maybe a small little fishing community. Nice spot. We're just passing through though. Surprised we're not stopping for gas. I only have 1 bar. This must have been a mining town. Okay, it looks like we're coming up on some kind of old mining operation or something. Wow. Super cool. We've made it to the mission in Santa Rosalia. Let's check it out.
This is pretty freaking cool.
He stopped at the corner.
Well, I waited for them at the turn because I assumed JD waited for them. He wasn't there.
Where did JD go? I saw him pulled over at the turn.
Yeah, fucking stopped. Like,